Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Burner Assy part #WB16K10079. GE Burner Assy part #WB16K10079 is a replacement part for GE gas ranges. It is an assembly that includes the burner, the igniter, and the mounting bracket. The burner is made of stainless steel and has 4 ports for connecting to the gas supply line. The igniter is a spark generator that produces a spark when the gas valve is opened, which ignites the gas and lights the burner. The mounting bracket attaches the burner to the range top. This part is compatible with many GE gas ranges and can be used to replace a damaged or malfunctioning burner assembly. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a faulty or damaged burner assembly on a gas range. It can fix symptoms such as the burner not lighting, the flame being too low or too high, or the burner not heating evenly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the old burner assembly by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Disconnect any wires or hoses connected to the old burner assembly. 4. Install the new burner assembly by lining up the mounting holes and securing it with screws. 5. Reconnect any wires or hoses that were disconnected from the old burner assembly. 6. Turn on the power to the appliance and test for proper operation of the new burner assembly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.